Alright, what up, baby? It's day 108 of making an app until we reach 1 million downloads. Right now, we're at 5,000 users, but this is for my old SaaSes. Now, I'm making a new SaaS or a new app. It's gonna be a mobile app, and I actually started developing today. Yesterday, I found out that freaking Sora might be shut down, which is bad news because at least it's like, okay, I know it's not the best in terms of, oh yeah, you could use Higgsfield, but you could use 1,000 credits on Higgsfield, spend a lot of money and get a better result. Yeah, I know that, bro. But Sora, it's good, bro. Like for what it is, you can, if you know how to prompt it well, you can make like pretty reliable and pretty decent looking videos, bro. Not like this AI slop you're looking at. Like you can make it good. So unfortunately that's gonna be shut down. So I gotta figure out like a better place to make, like, instead of Sora, what the hell am I gonna use? You know, like I'll figure some shit out though. All right, number two. What the hell did I do yesterday if I didn't make a video? Honestly, bro, yesterday I honestly I slept till like 1 like p.m. and then afterwards I worked on my app. I finalized a lot of the shit. Like I didn't know, like the day before I basically finalized like how the hell I'm gonna do like cloud costs so it doesn't cost me a lot to host this new app, especially even when I have like millions of users, hopefully. How the hell am I gonna control cloud costs? So I figured that out the day before. Then yesterday I tried to figure out, okay, now how the hell do I actually make the app? So I started making the app. And then today was really like, yesterday I had like a basic screen on. But today in Swift UI, I have like a good amount of the product done, you know? Like my app is well on its way to have a MVP launched, and that will be very interesting to see, bro. Honestly, this is my first time making a mobile app, so I don't know if I'm gonna be any good or whatever. All I know is I more or less have a way to market this app, and there's a second way of marketing that I'm gonna try out soon. I gotta try that shit out soon, bro. Because I've honestly been not too lazy, but the problem is, right? Even if I spend all my time on marketing, it just doesn't make sense, right? Like right now, I'm getting more or less like whatever, like either 50,000 views a day or like 100,000 views a day, somewhere in between then. And if I'm not using those views that I'm getting throughout all those social platforms, there's really no point in growing those accounts, you know? At least, like, there is a point, because eventually, what if I switch my product or whatever? It's all, like, any amount of attention you're getting is always good, you know? You can probably use it always. Um, the problem is, though, it does feel like a waste to spend all your time. Let's say it takes more than like 3 hours per day to make those videos because I post like freaking, as I said, like whatever, like 12 to 20 a day. It's not good. Like it's just like you're just wasting those views at the end of the day. Even if you get views and no one, you're not shouting anything out, or what are you doing? Like you're just wasting your time, kind of. So I'm gonna try to make this app as fast as possible. This is like the big priority. And then just launch it. So at least I have people coming to my app, and like hopefully it just grows kind of organically without me paying ads. Basically, I used to do paid ads for my first SaaS. I did paid ads. I got 5,000 users that way, and I did like $20,000 in revenue. However, bro, like I don't know, paid ads. There's a bunch of things, like especially for me, I just don't have a lot of money, so it just spiked my cortisol a lot because from day to day, like you lost money, you won money. It's just like weird, you know. If I could make, like, I'm getting decent views now. I'll figure out if it converts to downloads soon after I launch my app. Um, so I just gotta make the app, bro. I can't lie. Let's see, what else did I want to discuss. Oh, also, bro, like I want to give some tips out to you guys. Bro, if you're making any kind of app and you see other people either like have a feature of it like discussed on Reddit, and on Reddit people are like, oh bro, this shit took me so long, this has so many bugs in it, the documentation for this package is so bad because this is what I experienced, or whatever, bro. Don't believe them, bro. Like these guys on Reddit, they the most, I don't know if they're wipe coding their shit like fully, or like they just don't have like, just don't assume you and their IQ level or experience is the same, you know? Like just don't assume that. Especially if you have a good network, right? Like I mean, honestly, I don't have the best network of developers. I have a couple people I know, But I have a good amount of people I know that are doing some crazy shit, like a good amount, like at least I know a couple people who I can ask for things I don't know shit about, like I don't know shit about like cloud infrastructure, but I have a good, like, I have an insane guy that's like I talk to every night anyways, right? Just like joking around, he's my friend, and I can ask him about that shit. So like honestly, like and then like I don't know if these guys have access, like the people you're searching up on Reddit, like they just might not have access to the resources you have or have the experience you have. So if it takes like a while for them to do something, don't assume it's also going to take a while for you to do it. Like if I just went on that Reddit guy alone, I would have procrastinated way more. I would have been like, oh shit, like this one feature that in reality, it took me how long? It took me after I did all the planning. I don't know if you want to count the planning, but I probably took a day, like real actual coding stuff less than that, because I was like, I told Claude, gave Claude the documentation, gave Claude what the hell to do, told them the exact shit to do. And like just like everything it would need, and it just like pumped it out like pretty fast. I don't know, bro. Like it's just I just don't want you to be discouraged because you look at other people's progress and other people's things and be like, oh shit, like how the hell will I ever make this app, or this is a feature I really want to work on. No way. It's like honestly, I don't know if these guys are lying or not, because I don't know. I wonder if these guys, the reason why they don't want to share, like it was just easy to make, is because maybe someone freaking copies their shit or something. I don't know. It can't be that. Like I don't know. What else? Oh yeah, like so far my app, like the basic functionality works, but I don't have like a database attached to it. Hence, people can't really invite another friend, or there's no authentication, etc., etc. So I'm gonna add all that hopefully soon. My eyes are basically shut. Honestly, also another tip, like whenever you're making, like, bro, it's like I want to sleep. Like I want to eat and then I want to sleep. That's why I can't even open my eyes right now. All right. What the hell was I gonna talk about? So if you're making an app, bro, like a lot of people will tell you, oh, just get a minimum viable product. Oh, do the authentication first. Oh, do this first. Like at this point, bro, like I've made at least web apps. I've made probably over 8, right? And like I've marketed or tried to market like 3 of them. One was a long time ago, so I just don't count it within the freaking 108 days. But like even in the past like 108 days, I've tried to market 2 of my web apps, and every time I've just made them like super fast. What the hell? Where the hell was, bro? I lost all my memory. Where the hell was I going with that? Uh, there was something like I was gonna help you out with, like, oh yeah, answering something. Okay, yeah. So I've basically, the reason I mentioned that is because I know how to make things relatively fast, right? Like my first app took me like around 2 weeks to make, like web app. The second app took me around, yeah, 2 weeks again to make. Um, and the only way I got that is not by saying, oh, I'm just gonna do this authentication first and then I'm gonna make the logo in the end because the logo's so bad, no one wants to think about the logo, or I'm just gonna make this specific section of my app later. Bro, literally just do whatever is easiest at that time, right? Some days you might want to make the logo. Some days you might want to change the text. Some days you might want to figure out what the hell you're gonna call your startup. Do whatever is easy at that time. Like don't worry about like all this shit. Like don't worry about ideal, like, oh, ideally I would have the authentication first, which honestly I agree with, right? Like ideally you'd set up the database first, and like ideally you'd do all this shit first. But at the end of the day, bro, like we're humans, right? Like whatever excites you at that moment is what the hell you should be doing. And I've realized another thing. In the beginning, when you first open any kind of coding like software, like I don't care if you use like Xcode or VS Code, whatever the hell it is, right? You might be using React Native, you might be using freaking or if you're like you using actual native stuff like I do, like Swift UI, or maybe you're making a web app, Next.js, or like, oh, also if you're gonna use Next.js, bro, don't just use what the hell are we calling it? TanStack Start. I haven't used TanStack Start, but this is what I would recommend, because basically once you get a lot of users on your app, like Vercel is gonna cook the shit out of you, and that's basically the only way to host a Next.js app. You can do VPN, VPS, etc., but it doesn't really matter. Like, just use TanStack Start, so you can just do Cloudflare Workers or some kind of other thing that I don't know why I went on that tangent, but TanStack Start, bro. No, no, like, but the reason why I say all that is because if I literally was like, oh, I gotta really work on this because someone else told me, I would have never had shit done, bro. Like even like your career choice, everything you do in life, it's never optimal. Like stop worrying about being optimal. Just do whatever the hell excites you, bro. Like me waking up today, I literally had, I don't even think I ate today. Yeah, I haven't even eaten yet. It's like 12 like in at night. Like, do you really think I would have had this kind of motivation to work? Like, I didn't even realize I didn't eat yet. Do you know how crazy that shit is? The whole day freaking passed, you know? And I pulled an all-nighter yesterday, and then after 12, because I ran out of Claude credits, I literally slept, woke up at like, I think it was like 6, and then started working again. Do you think I would have been able to do that if I wasn't freaking kind of excited about working on something? Like my second web app I made, I was not excited at all. And low key, that shit should not have taken me 2 weeks. It should have really taken me one. Um, but it still took me 2 weeks. You know why? Because I was just trying to make shit like, oh, I gotta do this first. And also, bro, I just wasn't even excited about the product. Like this shit didn't interest me as well, like too much. This is why I literally stopped trying to market it after a week. You know, the first time I hit a roadblock, I just stopped marketing it. Like Loki, I could have made it work if I really, really tried hard enough. But who the hell will try so hard to make something work that they don't really care too much about? You know, bro. In general, if you don't go too far, you'll never get far enough, right? If you're not willing to go too far, you'll never get far enough, in my opinion. And that's like is like the first time you hit a roadblock, you're just gonna stop, you know. So do shit that you're kind of interests you, kind of excites you, which is why you're just gonna go like willing to go like a lot further on it. What's the last thing I want to talk about? I see, like there was something I just, dude, like my memory's gone, like my eyes barely open because I gotta go to sleep, but I gotta eat as well. I'll see you guys later, bro. Like I don't know how many people watch this video. If you've made it this far, just let me know in the comments, bro. And I'm honestly too lazy to put the Subway Surfers on today, like in the side of the screen. I'll see you guys there.